Hello everyone, today we're gonna make TicTacToy in this lecture. What is TicTacToy? Is a game that when you can play it with another player, or you can play it with a device it can play with you. For example, let's see, this is our device pixel, and here is the game after I make it. Let's say if I choose this one, X, and it will be selected by or randomly by the device. If I make it with the device, if I make it with the player, the other player will choose O and I will choose X. Let's say I play X here too. If I do here, when I win, the player 1 win the game, it will be shown downside as a toast. This is how it will be played. So as like that. How we'll make this game? It will be first of all, we'll make the layout. We'll make 9 buttons here. This is buttons, and we will make the text for them hidden. Then after that, we will try to give X and O for players. For player 1 X, and for player 2 we'll give O. Then when he select the button, as I am selecting it in the game, it will give X, and the other player will select. When selected will be O. Also, if you see that the bottom colors get changed to blue, and the other player for dark green, and those color we can choose it and can use a color picker for that. How we will do all this operation? First of all, we will make the layout. After that, we will make the code for it. The layout should be like, if we see here, it will be like something, let's say here, it will be table, and each table will have each row will contain 3 buttons. Then we put margin for each button inside the row, also the margin for each row from the parent table. Then each button we will make margin for it, like it should be how much it will be space between each of them, so it will be equal like that as shown in that. After that, we make all layouts. Then we give color for it, for background like it's gray near to white, and the buttons will make it white buttons. And after that, we will work on it, making coding for it. Let's start with it. As usual, when we make application, we go to new project, we go to empty activity, we will choose empty activity. After that, we will choose application name. Let's say TicTacToy, TTT app. It depends on what name you want to choose it. Then the package will be based on the name, and also the package you want to select it according to your device name. So after that, when application come up, the Gradle will build. We will wait until all things it's come on. Let's stay until the Gradle's coming and everything is building. This process is always depends on your PC. What PC and what properties they are using it. It depends on it. That's the fast it will come up. So here we have 2 things. We have the activity main and the main activity Kotlin. This is for coding, and this one for layout. If we come for layout, if we see that we have by default hello world, we don't need this one. We will delete it. Just select it from here or from the layout. Then we delete it. After that, what we will do, we have constraint layout here. What we need to do it, we need to make another type of layout, that is table layout, not the one we wanted. It should be constraint. Like we will make table layout. We can add it like that, but this one, when we add it, it will be inside the constraint layout. If we check the code, here's table layout, here's the constraint layout. What we will do, we only need to delete this one, to put this one over this one, and here we go. We will get some problem because table layout should be not constrained. Okay, we'll add these two also. We'll make this space deleted. Okay, all together. We'll delete this one also. We don't need constraint layout, we need table layout. Sorry for that. Let's get back for it. Here we add it. When we add it, as you see, this is the main things that is shown, the length and width and tools is needed for it, and shown that this will be the main activity. Okay, under layout width and the layout height, it doesn't need again because it's available there already. So only we need to delete this tag also. Here is the end of tag, it's available here. What we will do now, we'll go to the design view. Here is it. We see that we have 4 table row here. We can delete them. You can also select and delete it, or you can delete the code from here. We only delete the table rows. We'll show you how to add it because this is automatically added. We come back to design. We can make split also, but it is, for me, let's say, more preferable to use like this design. If I choose table, I will choose the table layout, the main one, and drag and drop over it. I'll choose 3 as we said in beginning. Table row 1, table row 2, table row 3 table rows. After that, what we need to do, we need to add buttons to it. Each one have 3 buttons. Each table row should have 3 buttons. We will come to buttons and check 1, and you should put it on the table row exactly. Don't mess it up. Again, you will do that. Same to others, you will do to others same. But we come to change the size and we delete the text and change the color of it. What we need for that, we need to go inside the code, or you can do it by attribute in design here. Okay, we can go to code. We come here, we have each one have its own button, 3 buttons. We'll make one of this row, then we will copy paste it for others. If we come here, the width and height, it depends on matching the parent. If we come here, button 3, 2, 1, we can change the names. As you see here, it's 1, 2, 3. This is button 1, 2, and 3. We'll make it by ordering them is better. We can change the ID from here, or you can select the button from here and make it like view1. And it will ask you to change all places. Yes, I want to change it. And view2. Okay, all places, same. And third one, view3. That it will ask again for changing in all places. We have factor it. We come to code, we check if it's changed. Yes, here is it, view1, view2, and view3. What we will do, we can do by going to attribute and search for something named text. As we see here, it's button written. You can delete it from here. Check on the left side. If you see it's deleted from here, from button 3. As you see in this view also, here is deleted. You can do same here. You go to code and delete just button. Okay, the text will be deleted. Well, we don't need this anymore because already we deleted the text. Now we have all 3 buttons here. What we need to do now, we should change the width and height of it according to what we need. So it's wrap contact, it's depending, it's meaning you will match the layout and you will make it same to that. What we need to change that one also. So here we have layout width. Here we can change it to match parent. It will be according to the parent one, it's meaning the main table, but we don't need like that. What we need to change it to give value for it. Like let's say we give 40 pt, it will be something like that. And 40 pt here. Here we get it like box. It will be like box. We do same thing for others. We can change it from here also in the code. If we do 40 pt, just only copy paste the 40 pt and put it here. It will change all of it for you. As we see now, we have 3 buttons. They are like boxes because we need it like that to make the tic-tac game. And we need, how much buttons we need it? We need 3 buttons. Then we need to change of it. What else we need to should change the color of it, the background color. Let's say the background should be something like white. Okay, we can change it like that. If it doesn't change, what we need to do, we need to change the bottom here as we need it. Here is some instruction for it. Just wait for a minute. I will show you how to change that button. We will change the code for it according to what we need. Just a minute. Here we will back. We need to change that button. Here we back. If we change this button, if the color doesn't change as shown there, we can do it by this way. You should change this one button to that. This one, Android X app compact widget, app computer compact button, because sometimes it doesn't change the color. As we see, it changed accordingly to here. If we come to attribute, we can change the color from here and make it white as it's shown. It will be white as you see, but for now we will not change it to white. We keep it as it because we want to change the background first, then we change the color of it. It will be better to change the color all of them together. How it will make that? How we will make that? I'll show you. First of all, let's come. We have 3 buttons. We need other 6 buttons. What we will do, we come to code and we will copy paste the table that we have already. But we need first to delete the others. So when I delete it, I delete 2 rows. If we come to here and make copy of this one,